Hello everyone, this is Eran from Jerusalem, Israel. Everyone knows about evil eye, about sorcery, but no one believes that it can actually influence their life. It can never happen to me, everyone said. But no, that everyone is exposed and can be infected by evil eye. Evil eye can made by a person that have a jealousy for someone else. He bought a house, he bought a car, everyone is looking at his car, his fancy suit, his fancy house. If a person thinks that he wants his car or wishes to have his car or a car like that or a house like that or a job like that, this jealousy actually in those seconds in his mind that he thinks about his car, house and his job, create evil eye for the owner, for the person that actually right now drive the car, live in the house or having this position at this job. The people that hurt from evil eye will suddenly, like, they will feel that the blessing is like a tap that closed. They don't feel that the same as before. Like, doors are not open for them. They feel stuck. They feel empty from energy, like that you are tired after running 5 kilometers in the morning. If you feel that you are standing in the same position, on the same spot, and you don't know why, you're doing the best that you can, but you're not in a progress timeline in life, please don't hesitate. WhatsApp me 24/6 with your name and your mother name, and there is a simple Kabbalistic procedure or pray, you can say pray, and with the help of God, we will succeed to break the chain of the evil eye, of the sorcering, of the hate, of the cursing. It's a very easy, and why not to do it? So don't hesitate. WhatsApp me 24/6. Thank you very much for listening. Shalom shalom from Israel. Toda rabba.